Tonight, the man who was stabbed on the light rail just last week is now facing a long list of domestic violence charges himself after allegedly assaulting a pregnant woman. Kenyon Dobie made his first court appearance today, just a day after being released from the hospital. He's being held at a $2 million bond.
And WCNC Charlotte's Jesse Pierre is joining us right now to talk about this case. So, Jesse, you spoke with advocates who say that this case is highlighting a much bigger concern, right?
Yes, they shared a lot of different concerns, and while most people first heard Kenyon Dobie's name because of the light rail stabbing, where investigators say he stepped in to protect others from a disruptive rider, advocates say the allegations against him are quite disturbing.
We're very pleased that he saved, other lives and prevented other harm to happen. Absolutely. But does that negate the fact of what he done to this pregnant woman? Absolutely not.
Kenyon Dobie in court Thursday facing several domestic violence-related charges following an assault on a pregnant woman he was dating back in October. According to court officials, Dobie hit the victim, knocking her unconscious. Once she woke up, she realized she was bleeding from her eyes and nose and called 911. Dobie is also facing charges for threatening to kill her and her children.
The statistics show that the violence towards a woman increases when they are pregnant. And a lot of people don't realize that.
Dobie was arrested Wednesday after being released from the hospital following Friday's light rail stabbing. The judge giving Dobie a $2 million bond on the felony charges and $60,000 on the misdemeanors, a bond that immediately caught the attention of advocates.
He could have very well killed a fetus. He could have very well killed a mother. So I'm not going to ring his bail too much because he did do this to this mother allegedly.
A $2 million bond on domestic violence is very rare. And I think this happened because of the notoriety of the person, because of its connection to another public incident. Otherwise, that would not have been the case.
Dobie was also ordered to have no contact with the victim, and his next court date is December 23rd. Back to you.